How to fix TikTok analysis not showing. First, make sure you're using a creator profile or business account. First, go to your profile, then tap the three lines in the top right, then go to settings and privacy, and then go to account. From here, switch to a creator or business account if you're currently using a personal account. So here we see a business verification. Just click on it and get started with the verification. If it doesn't show up, make sure that you update the app. So force close it like this, then go to the App Store. Let's type in TikTok, and here it says update. So simply just click on it, and now it's updating TikTok. If it still doesn't work on Android, you can delete the cache files. Just go to settings, apps, find TikTok, go to storage and then clear cache. But on iPhone, you need to delete the app. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.